Hello Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa inyo Aries. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Aries. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Aries, please. Aries. Aries. Okay, merong runner. I don't want to run anymore. Merong realization na nangyari. Destiny. I am struggling to find the right path. Broken. I feel shattered about this situation. Responsibilities. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Okay. Maybe your person, marami pa siyang gusto sa kanyang buhay, okay? Naghahanap pa siya kung ano yung tamang path para sa kanya. Okay? Ngayon, ayaw niya na mag-run, okay? Ayaw niya nang umalis or umiwas. Gusto niya nang harapin ang kailangang harapin, Aries, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you feel shattered about the situation. Disappointed ka sa inyong person. Kasi you are not the priority. Marami siyang responsibilities. Kailangan niya paalagaan ang kanyang sarili, ang kanyang mga finances. Okay? Siguro hindi pa siya ganun ka-stable emotionally din. And now, he or she wants to face the truth. Okay, merong realization sa part niya. Okay. Let us see kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Aries, please. Aries. Love and romance. Let's see ano yung messages and energies for Aries. Yeah. Ayaw i-reveal ng person mo yung kanyang totoong nararamdaman, okay? Parang casual lang siya sa inyo. Pero gusto kanya. Yeah. Gusto niya i-express ang kanyang nararamdaman, okay? Yung totoo niyang nararamdaman. Gusto niya magkaroon ng lakas. At nag-aantay lang din ng tamang timing para ma-express niya ang kanyang totoong nararamdaman sa'yo. Yes. Okay. Yung totoo niyang nararamdaman, ayaw niya i-express, pero mahal ka niya, Aries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, maybe you're dealing with your ex, okay? friend mo yung taong ito, yung person mo, Aries, before. Naging friends kayo, tapos na-develop na lang ang relationship. Okay? Into romance. Okay? Yung person mo, casual lang siya. Ayaw niyang sabihin sa'yo kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman. Okay. Tinatago niya lang, okay? For some of you, kailangan mag-focus sa inyong ambisyon, sa inyong career, sa inyong work. Maybe now you are single, okay? And yung relationship ninyo once is just a memory now, okay? Aries, yung iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo i-work out ang relationship. Kailangan nang bigyan ng pansin. Maybe it's high time for you. It's high time for you to fall in love. Magkaroon ng sarili ninyong family. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So, parang in denial yung person ninyo, no? But deep inside, parang nag-iisip din siya, kung babalik ako kay Aries, may growth ba ang relationship? Mag-work out kaya? Okay? So, maybe your person is also waiting, pero parang casual lang. Kunyari, parang hindi siya ganun ka-affected. Okay? Yeah. Or this is the other way around. Depende sa iyong sitwasyon. Take what resonates, Aries. Maybe your person feels na you are this one, yung parang very protective ka sa sarili mo. You don't want to get involved. Okay? Because you are focusing on your money. Yeah. Yes. Your person also, binavalue niya rin ang kanyang independence, ang kanyang freedom. But he or she is also hoping that someday magkaroon siya ng independence to express kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman sa inyo, okay? Or maybe nag-iisip din siya, okay? Kung nag-iisip din siya paano siya maka-move forward at maka-move on. Kasi mahal ka pa niya, Aries. Meron siyang nararamdaman sa iyo, mahal ka pa niya. Or nag-aalala siya sa iyo, okay? Nagki-care pa rin sa inyo, Aries. But you are too busy sa work mo, very independent. Maybe you are an entrepreneur, okay? Self-employment or self-employed. Okay? Parang naalala mo na lang sa person na to is friendship. Okay. Yeah. Your person also wants to have a happy family, okay? A happy home life. Very independent din siya. Gusto niya rin ma-meet ang kanyang mga needs, mga financial needs or emotional needs. Okay? Ayan, Page of Pentacles. May gusto siyang sabihin sa'yo, no? Maybe through text or message, na gusto niyang makipagkita sa inyo. Pero nahihiya siya. Gusto kanyang makita, gusto niyang i-rekindle kung ano man yung relationship ninyo before. Okay? Merong pag-uusap if you will give this chance sa person mo. Okay? They want to see you, Aries. Parang gusto niya magkaroon ng conversation, makipag-usap sa inyo sa mga nangyari sa buhay niya. Okay? Pero ang totoo, mahal ka niya. Yeah, you are very focused ngayon sa inyong goal, sa mga plans mo for the future. Okay. Parang kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo in the past, parang a love story to remember na lang siya. Kasi ngayon, nakafocus ka sa, very independent ka, okay? Parang, kasi hindi naman na-express ng person mo kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya. So, nafo-focus ka na lang sa iyong yaman, sa kaperahan mo, sa iyong independence, sa iyong business, sa trabaho mo. Okay? And based dito sa energy na to, this is the best thing for you na gawin mo. Okay? Care for yourself. Care for your future. Okay? Meron din ibang tao na kailangan ka. Your home, your family. Okay? Yeah. You feel na yung person mo merong grudges, okay? Or merong sama ng loob ang person mo and kailangan niya mag-release kung ano man yan, yung harshness na iniisip niya sa inyo. Kailangan niya mag-forgive, okay? Yeah. Okay. Siguro maraming responsibilities din, busy or madami din ginagawa ang inyong person para sa improvement ng kanyang life, sa mga ganap niya, okay? And ito din yun ang problema, ang naging problema sa inyong relasyon before. And kailangan na lang din siguro ngayon ng forgiveness sa inyong relationship, sa inyong past, sa inyong ex, yung person mo na yun. Okay? That is for some of you, Aries. Yeah. It's just a romance to remember kung ano meron kayo before. Parang memories na lang siya. Merong disappointments doon, merong kalungkutan, but you know, it's already in the past. You need to move on. You need to forgive kung ano man yung nangyari. For some of you, you will be meeting someone new, okay? Na makapagpasaya sa inyo, Aries. Yes. Bagong love interest after some disappointment in your past relationship. Oh? Ito pa, yes. So, continue sa inyong ganap, sa inyong ginagawa, sa work mo, maybe nasa area ka or sa field ka ng being creative, okay? Maybe you are in advertising or marketing. So, you just have to be focused, okay? Be ambitious sa inyong ginagawa, okay? Aries? So, this is the best thing for you in this situation or energies. You need to move forward, okay? Maging independent. Focus on your career. Focus on your money. Kasi meron pang ibang tao na kailangan ka. Okay? Yes. Your person is just being like that. Hindi niya in-express, hindi niya sinasabi kung anong gusto niya. But he or she wants to see you. Parang siguro gusto niya maramdaman kung pag nakita kayo kung meron pa bang something, meron pa bang spark. Okay? Titingnan niya pa, makikimatsyag pa siya. kung anong mangyayari pag nagkita kayong dalawa. Okay? Let us see ano yung ibang message for you. Yung person mo, parang may sarili din siyang issues. Okay? Siguro marami din siyang obligasyon. Burden din siya. Okay? May kailangan din siyang i-improve sa kanyang finances, sa kanyang life. Kailangan niya rin ng emotional stability. Okay? Later on, parang gusto niya rin magkaroon ng independence sa sarili niya. Okay? Independence. Maging independent. Okay? Financial independent. Gusto niya rin magkaroon ng sarili niyang future, family in the future. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Let's see, ano yung messages. For some of you, your person, ang intention niya is na magsama kayong dalawa, okay? Parang merong forgiveness, may trustworthiness, okay? But for you, parang you need to move on, okay? Something new will come in. Aries. Forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Parang validation yan ng reading. Close your eyes and tell yourself that you deserve to feel joyful. You can allow joy into your life regardless of the circumstances you currently find yourself in. Okay, one more. Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. Okay. So, these are the messages for you, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!